Hello, my nail polish fanatics, and welcome back to another sneak peek video. This time it's Kay's Korner April 2026 Spring Collection. If you like live swatches and reviews, this is the channel for you. If you have not already, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as your notification bell so you know when I upload new content to the channel. This is Tammy's new spring collection called Solidarity. They will be $10 each or $50 for the collection at kayskornerpolish.com, and it launches April the 2nd. I'll have all the sales information down below in the description box. So without further ado, let's see what Kay's Korner has in store for us for April 2026. Okay, as by the title, I have another sneak peek for you today. Before we get started, I know you're wanting to know what I have on my nails, and I have this I had to cut them down, y'all. This nail broke and I just had to cut everything down. But anyway, this is such a gorgeous hollow. I simply adore this one, love it to death. This is Linby Designs, and you can see why. And it's a magnetic, y'all. It's a hollow magnetic. Beautiful. This is an ineffable, and I have already done the video on this one. This was a part of the Lover of Words More Part 2. So check that video out. You'll see the live swatch, but this is such a gorgeous polish. I told y'all this will be one of those I would gravitate towards, and that was no lie. But anyway, this is a video for Kay's Korner. So glad to be able to do another sneak peek from Kay's Korner, another new indie polish maker. So we've got a bunch of goodies here today. I'm going to go ahead and get these out. This is for her spring collection. And let me get the deets out on these. She doesn't have any descriptions, but they will be releasing on April the 2nd. And these, I believe, will be $10 each. So let's see what we have here. And it's $50 for the collection, I believe. I'll have all that information down below. Okay, this first one, like I said, I love her labels. I love the holographic labels. This is a pastel-y, it's like a cornflower blue. Togetherness, spring of 2026. It's going to be a nice summer polish, spring polish. Now, I do wish that Tammy had the paddle brushes. I've gotten so accustomed to those. But we're going to see what this formula looks like in another video. I'm going to be doing a live swatch, so stay tuned. You know I'll do a live swatch. Here's another one. This is more of a pastel-y mint green, but it has some shimmers in it. And it looks like it may have a little flake action going on in there. This is Unity. Let's see if we can see that better. It's just shimmers, there's no flakies. So just like a green matching shimmer. And this one's more of a pastel-y pink. This is Symmetry. Let's see, does it have a shimmer to it? No, it looks like it's just a regular cream. And it's a little messy here. I'm gonna have to clean this bottle up. You can see it's a little dried there, but I'm gonna clean it up. It's a little bit messy, but I'll clean that up. That's no problem. A pastel-y purple. This is Balance. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean all of these bottles off. Okay. And I wonder if they will water marble. So if you would like for me to do that in the next swatch video, please place that down in the comments section to see if these pastels will water marble. These are some pretty pastels. I like these though. Not too bright. I really like these. I know she was telling me that she wanted to be a little darker than the average pastel, but I think I like these better. These are more kind of on the muted side to me, and I like it. I don't know. Why she doesn't. She wanted them darker, but I like them. Harmony, which is spring. I think these are really nice. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean all of these bottles. I like this shade. It's not too bright. And what is this we have here? Oh. And this is like a gray, a muted gray, and this is Kinship. So this is a total of 6 polishes, I see. So we've got Kinship, which is a muted gray. We've got our pastel muted purple, Harmony. The pink, Symmetry. The cornflower blue, Togetherness. Unity is the green. And the purple, well, I thought that was purple. Huh? I guess this is blue. This is teal. So you can see all, and then we've got balance. So let me zoom out so you can see all of them. Because, okay, this is the blue. I guess this is the purple. This is the more of a cornflower blue, sky blue, gray, pink, and green. I'm going to clean these bottles up, but these are nice, lovely polishes. Like I said, if you want me to do a water marble in the next swatch video of these, let me know. This is just a quick sneak peek. If you like videos such as this, go ahead and give this video an enthusiastic thumbs up. Smash up those likes, y'all. Make sure you share this video with your polish family and friends. And remember, allow the magic to take hold and watch the magic appear. And I'll see you in the next video.